Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 6:30 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northwest of New Baltimore to 27 nautical miles northwest of the Ambassador Bridge to 53 nautical miles northwest of Lapeer, moving southeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near New Baltimore around 5:55 p.m. Mount Clemens Harbor of Refuge and St. Clair around 6 p.m. The Ambassador Bridge and St. Clair Flats Old Channel Light around 6:05 p.m. Algonac, Grosse Light, Belle Island Light around 6 p.m. Old Harbor of Refuge, Monroe Harbor, Luna Pier, Detroit Beach and Woodland Beach around 6:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by strong thunderstorms include Woodland Beach, Stony Point, Gibraltar, Esther Beach and Detroit Beach. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a special marine warning for St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie until 6:30 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 Baltimore.
Keep your eye on Justin Cruz.
Northwest of the Ambassador Bridge.